Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can appear offline in Roblox so that we can ghost our friends or everyone else. If you are on Roblox web, just click on the settings button on top right and click on settings. If you are on Roblox app, let me show you what you can do. In your Roblox app, click on this more button on the bottom left here and click on settings. And now the web version and this will have the same page. Okay, so now you are here. Just click on privacy and content majority. Is the same thing in web also, and now the steps are same. Here, go inside communication, and in your experience chat, change this to no one and change direct chat to no one also. Go back, go inside party, and make both of these things to no one also. So this allows you to chat and group up to join other experiences. Okay, and in camera input you can turn this off, so it's already turned off in my case, so it will not use your camera to animate your avatar. Okay, and finally you can also click on this visibility and private servers, and in private servers, if you want, you can check no one so that no one can add you as a member of their private server. Okay, and now in visibility, here you can click on no one, and this will disallow anyone to see your current experience and join you, so no one will be able to join you. Okay, so it's inside privacy and content maturity, inside visibility. So this is how you can appear completely offline and ghost everyone in Roblox and do your own thing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.